In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive in Wrike. Keeping your Wrike workspace clean and organized is really important, especially when you've finished projects but still want to keep their information for reference. Archiving lets you move completed work out of your active view without deleting anything permanently. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple, reliable way to set up an archive folder and move projects into it, so your workspace stays tidy and easy to navigate. Let's start from your main Wrike workspace. On the left-hand side, you'll see your spaces, folders, and projects listed in the navigation panel. At the top of that panel, look for the plus sign icon. This is what you'll use to add new items. Go ahead and click on the plus sign to open the creation menu. When that menu appears, you'll see several options such as creating a new project, a folder, or other items depending on your account setup. For our purpose, choose folder. Selecting folder will let you create a dedicated place where archived projects can live, separate from your active work. After you click folder, Wrike will prompt you to name it. In the name field, type in archive. You can keep it as just archive, or if you prefer to be a bit more specific, you might later create additional archive folders by year or by department. For now, simply naming it archive is enough to get you started and makes it very clear what the folder is for. Once you've created this archive folder, you should see it appear in your left-hand navigation panel, usually under the space or parent folder where you created it. If you don't see it right away, try expanding any collapsed sections by clicking the small arrows next to the space or workspace name. Now that your archive folder is ready, it's time to move projects into it. Find the project you want to archive in the navigation panel. Click and hold on the project name, then drag it over to the archive folder. When the archive folder highlights or shows a subtle visual cue, release your mouse button to drop the project inside. This drag and drop action moves the project into the archive folder. The project is still accessible if you need to review tasks, attachments, or comments, but it's no longer cluttering your list of active projects. You can repeat this process for any other completed projects. Over time, using this archive folder will help keep your Wrike environment streamlined, making it easier to focus on what's